All right, let's get right into it. I'm going to break down that's right, 7 different AI-powered side hustles that you can actually start today. And listen, even if you feel like a total beginner, this is for you as we work our way towards a fantastic financial goal.
Seriously, just think about it for a second. What would you do with an extra $500 a week? I know, it might sound like a stretch, but what if I told you it's way more realistic than you probably think?
I mean, that's $2,000 a month. This isn't just some pie-in-the-sky number. It's a real, tangible target. And the strategies we're about to cover, they're your roadmap to get there.
And here's the absolute best part. You don't need to be some coding genius or have a fancy computer science degree. Nope, we're talking about AI tools that are super accessible, totally beginner-friendly, and something literally anyone can pick up and start using effectively.
You know, there's a lot of fear out there about AI replacing people. But the reality is, as this technology just keeps getting better, it's actually creating these incredible new opportunities to make money. It's just a tool, a really powerful tool. And today, we're going to learn how to use it.
Okay, first up, let's open our Creative AI Toolkit. This is where the magic happens, where you can literally turn simple text prompts, just words, into actual profitable projects. So tool number 1, AI content writing. I mean, just think about it. Every single business out there needs content. Websites, social media, you name it. You can use these amazing AI models to help them create all that stuff way, way faster than they ever could on their own. And the variety here is just awesome. You could be writing blog posts that bring in new customers, or maybe just those short, snappy social media captions that get all the likes. The best part is, you don't even have to be a world-class writer. Your real skill becomes learning how to talk to the AI, how to give it the perfect prompt. So let's talk money. Even as a total beginner, you can totally charge somewhere between, say, $20 and $50 per article. It's a volume game, right? If you land just 10 of those little gigs a week, boom, you're right there in that $500 ballpark. All right, next tool in the box, AI graphic design. For so long, if you wanted to be a designer, you had to master all this complicated software. But now, AI image generators have just completely blown the doors wide open. It's a whole new world. And you can focus on stuff that's in super high demand and that people need fast. I'm talking YouTube thumbnails. Every creator needs them. Or social media posts for local businesses. These are the perfect kinds of gigs to get your foot in the door. And look, even if you're just charging, let's say, $30 a design, you only need a handful of clients each week to start building a really solid income stream. See how quickly these small jobs can add up to that big $500 goal? Okay, still in our creative toolkit, let's talk about AI video script writing. Let's be real, we are living in a video world, right? YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and every single one of those videos needs a good script. Creators are starving for help with this. And for something like this, you could be charging anywhere from $30 to maybe $100 a script, depending on how long it is. It's just another one of those fields that's in super high demand and perfect for a beginner to jump right into. All right, let's switch gears a bit. We've talked about the creative stuff. Now let's open up our professional services toolkit. This is all about using AI to solve real, specific, and sometimes pretty urgent problems for people. Okay, this next one. This one is a real gem. You have no idea how many people out there absolutely struggle with their resume or their LinkedIn profile. You can be the one who steps in, uses AI to polish it all up, and helps them land their dream job. Talk about providing value. And because what you're doing is so valuable, you can charge a good price for it. We're talking $50 to maybe $150 per client. At that rate, you just need a few of those jobs each week, and you're getting really close to that $500 goal. Now for something that sounds a little more technical, but trust me, it's incredibly lucrative. AI automation services. Think about all the small business owners out there. They are desperate to save time. You can be the person who sets up simple automations for them, like for their emails or social media posts. And here's the kicker, even a really basic automation setup can easily get you over $100. Why? Because you're saving them time, which is money. It's a high-value skill and businesses will happily pay for it.
Okay, think about this. How much time do busy entrepreneurs or students spend just doing research? As an AI research assistant, you swoop in and use AI to summarize articles, find data, and whip up reports in a fraction of the time. You're not just selling research, you're literally selling your clients their time back, and that is priceless.
Okay, so we've gone through 6 side hustles where you're actively working. But this last tool, this one's a little different. This is the one that's about building an asset.
Something that can earn you money even when you're not working. Yeah, while you sleep. I'm talking about AI print on demand. Here's how it works. You use AI to create cool, unique designs for things like t-shirts or stickers. You upload the design to a website, and that's it. You're done. Every time someone buys something with your design on it, you get a cut. Now, it does take time to build up, but just one design that goes viral could mean a steady income stream for years to come.
So, there you have it. 7 really powerful side hustles. But the big question is, how do you actually put all this together to reliably hit that $500 a week goal? Well, that's the final piece of the puzzle, and honestly, it's the most important one.
So here's the secret sauce, the real strategy. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The smart move is to combine 2 or maybe even 3 of these. So for example, maybe you focus on doing the resume help to bring in active cash flow while you're slowly building up that print-on-demand store in the background. When you diversify like that, hitting $500 a week suddenly becomes a very, very realistic target.
So if you take one thing away from this, let it be this. AI is the tool. It gives you the leverage. It lets you do things faster and better than ever before. But it's your consistency, showing up every day, finding those clients, doing the work. That's what turns all this potential into actual money in your bank account. So we've laid it all out for you. The tools, the strategy, the whole shebang. Now, there's really only one question left, and it's for you. You have the toolkit in front of you. What are you going to build first?